Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to be installing this. So this is something that many cars have already, and Porsches for some reason do not. This is called a lid liner. Well, that's the company that makes it, lid liner. And Porsches, because the engines are in the rear, have a frunk, and the frunk actually has a fair amount of room in it, which is where I am right now. And it's actually decently deep and has some pretty good room. Unfortunately though, in order to keep the car light, Porsche opted to not install anything under the hood, and the hood is light and thin, again, to make the car light. So this thing is, let me say, missing. It doesn't exist from the factory. They do not come with them. So that can sometimes lead to a problem where you've got a bag up here or something, and you go over a bump and it bounces up and it dents the hood from the inside out. So I didn't even realize that this was a thing, but then this company lid liner, I saw one of their advertisements and I looked into it a little bit, and sure enough, it's a thing. Sometimes things bounce up and dent the inside of a hood of a Porsche. So I decided, well, this is pretty inexpensive. I might as well just get one of these things and protect mine, because I want to actually drive my car, which means from time to time I'm going to have to put my backpack in here, or something, right? Go out to eat, stop somewhere, go shopping, stick a bag in there, my backpack, something along those lines. But that's it. This is well done. There's foam here. It sits right on the cross braces. Gives you a nice, there's like an air gap here. But it sits nicely on the braces. So right now my cover is in here. This well is actually it's pretty deep. Here, I can stand in it so you can kind of see, quite a bit. I could probably curl up into a ball in there. There is a safety release, so clearly somebody has fit in one of these before. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty easy to install. Little 5-minute thing today. Get an idea here of how this looks. There you are. Right under the hood. Push clips. Nice and simple. And then they say to take it off, you just grab on one of these corners and pull. So that's it. Probably should be included from the factory. It's probably something that Porsche should have given to people, or at least offered, but I don't know, is what it is. So that was it. Nice simple thing today. Do have a couple other things coming up. I have some stereo equipment on the way for this. We're going to put a new head unit in it. So once that arrives, we'll do that. I have CC sent me that impact test out. Got some more carbon collective stuff. Last product there. Gallon jugs, working on those. Got more coming. So yeah, lots of stuff. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.